Yeah, good afternoon. Bears Raja, BRS. We're out here at my wonderful daughter's, the 3H Farm, Texas, and we're going to be watching the grandkids feed the baby new goats and get a little glimpse of the farm out here. Here we got Sterling and Nala over here. They've got a little tent for them. These are the Great Pyrenees, and here's a little view of the farm. But this afternoon we are watching, and here is our oldest grandson, Hunter, feeding the newest baby. Just dropped, how long, Hunter? A couple of days ago?
That's the newest one in there.
Okay, how long has this one been?
This one, they've both been here about a month.
Okay, about 4 weeks on these. And Henry, can you turn around so I can watch you? Oh, looky here. Yeah, these boys are true farmers and learning all about agriculture. And yeah, they're having a great time. Here is some of the other goats, and you can see the turkeys and watering trough. But this little one here is getting a full dose, and so is this one. Now we got some babies we're fixing to go to, right? Are these the babies you're only feeding today?
These are just the ones we're feeding today.
Okay, no more little ones?
The other one's still feeding on her mom.
Okay, we're gonna stop. We're gonna go inside the pen real quick. Hang on. As I come in, you're gonna see a turkey hatching, brand new babies right here. I hope you can see this all right. And we got a big old Mr. fan here that Bears Rod Shop donated to the farm. And I don't see any water coming out of here, Hunter. Can you turn the water on here for these poor critters?
Yeah, my mom doesn't want the water on right now.
Okay. Be careful. Don't stick your hand in that fan there, Henry. Hey, say, Henry. Look, say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
Bears Rod Shop. Can you say Bears Rod Shop?
Bears Rod Shop.
You got one of my racing caps on.
Yeah.
All right. Hunter, can you say hello to Bears Rod Shop?
Hello.
Hello. Oh, here. Now, what's this one's name?
This is Stinky.
Stinky? Oh. And she's a female?
Yes.
Female.
All
right. Now we got Curiosity Cat here.
That right there is Goose.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm backing up. Here's Goose trying to get up in Papa Bear's. There we go. Oh, I hope I get a good picture. Let's see if we go get a look at the babies real quick. And what's the name of the new baby right here?
We don't have a name.
No. Oh, no name yet. But this is the newest baby, and she's fixing to drop again?
No.
No, she's not. Mama Ghost's not going to drop again. What else we got to see out here on the farm while we're in here videoing?
Eggs.
Oh, let's walk down here to the owl with Henry. The little baby goat here. Gonna trip Pawpaw. Okay. All right, I gotta walk down. And we're going down the aisle. Boy, it's about 100 out. Oh, that rooster just got me.
It's a chicken.
Oh, just laid some eggs. Look at here. We're gonna have them for breakfast?
And we collect these and we cook them.
Okay, you handle them real carefully? All right, well, Henry's gonna take in some more eggs. Man, those are beautiful.
And also,
so here's some more pens. We got big old fans up here. And we've got these stalls here. And look here. We got Hunter holding, this is Goose?
Yep, this one's Goose.
Goose.
You can tell because Maverick has a white spot on his back.
All right. All right, well, Mama Bear is out here with good care at the farm. And we're gonna go in the house and get a shot of Mama Bear Sybil, what you call her Sammy. And having a hard time walking.
Wait, before we get
Oh.
to the house, we can check out that chicken right there.
Well, this is going to be a short video, and we've got, what's the white one?
The
That white one right there in the truck, that's April.
April.
The new one. It's a meat.
So we got 16 goats all together.
I'm pretty sure.
Yep, pretty well, 16. And we're gonna go in the house and get a real short video of Mama Bear in good care. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we're gonna enter into my wonderful daughter and son-in-law and family's house up this beautiful new ramp he just built, handicap. Take a look at craftsmanship. It is awesome. I knew he was a good carpenter and handyman, but this is one heck of a deck that old Bear can get up. Let's go inside and